The Carrington story starts on the plains of Costa Rica. Nestled close to 5 volcanic mountains, a plot of nature's best. Combining the certified organic production method with the volcanic soil, Carrington produces the best and most consistent raw materials from aloe vera in the world. These natural biologic raw materials are refined into products by process, certified organic and kosher. This process guarantees consistency batch to batch and meets FDA, USDA, and ISO requirements. Each leaf is hand harvested and processed to ensure the natural goodness of aloe's high molecular weight polysaccharides are in the final product. The organically certified leaves are transported from the farm to the weighing station to obtain weight for yield calculations and are then transferred to the washing area where each leaf is hand scrubbed to remove any soil or organic material. The aloe leaves are then moved to a station designed for microbiological control, a critical step to guarantee quality. The leaves are next transported to the fillet line, where the rinds are carefully removed from the inner gel. The rinds are returned to the farm to be recycled for use as compost. Blending equipment is used to turn the inner gel into a liquid. Quality control samples are taken at several points during this process. As the gel is processed, it undergoes changes in pressure, density, and form. The processed gel is then taken to a clean area where it is alcohol precipitated. This is Carrington's patented process used to preserve the polymeric complex carbohydrates responsible for the goodness of aloe. We also maintain our own alcohol recovery and refinery facilities on site. The refined product is then run through a centrifuge to remove excess liquid. The polymeric complex carbohydrates shown here will be used to make one of Carrington's many products. The material is processed in a controlled environment to preserve the integrity of the purified product and to prepare it for freeze drying. This specially designed equipment is the most sophisticated and largest in Latin America. It is a one-of-a-kind freeze-drying operation, specially built to meet Carrington's demanding standards for quality. Once the polymeric polysaccharides come out of the freeze dryer, they are run through a milling machine to meet the final specifications of the desired raw material. Samples are taken, and the containers are weighed, sealed, and put into a secure room where they'll remain until they are released by QA/QC. Each batch is subjected to stringent tests as required for products by process and to meet or exceed FDA, USDA, and ISO requirements. Once a batch is certified and released by QA/QC, it's shipped north to Irving, Texas. The materials are received and further samples are taken for additional testing and control. The raw materials, once released, are then weighed and compounded to be manufactured into one of more than 130 products produced in Carrington's CGMP manufacturing facilities. Carrington manufactures various products utilizing a broad range of filling machines from semi-automatic liquid filling for wound cleansers, functional beverages and serums, to high-speed fully automatic tube filling for various hydrogel wound dressings, moisture barrier creams and lotions, and specialized manufacturing equipment for producing gel or lotion-based saturated woven or non-woven pads. Freeze-dried patches are also manufactured for various applications, such as the management of aphthous ulcers and reducing the incidence of dry socket. We also manufacture dental devices. All of Carrington's facilities are strictly run under current good manufacturing practices. Finished goods are stored in and distributed worldwide through Carrington's climate-controlled warehouse facilities. Carrington ships finished products to over 26 countries around the world for use in hospitals, nursing homes, home health by healthcare professionals, select quality health food stores, and other retail establishments. These products are backed by over $90 million in research and development and more than 130 patents worldwide. In addition to distributing various products to the professional and consumer markets, Carrington's wholly owned subsidiary, Delcyte Biotechnologies Incorporated, is developing a nasal powder delivery system for vaccine therapeutics and injectable delivery technology for proteins and peptides. The nasal delivery system requires no preservatives, no freezing, no needles, cold storage shipment, nor a medical team to administer. As Delcyte continues to expand in the drug delivery market, Carrington is expanding to also include contract product development and specialty manufacturing services. These specialty manufacturing services further diversify Carrington's business base and offer Carrington the opportunity to partner with other innovation-driven companies. Carrington Laboratories, for more than 30 years, understands that good business is a science.